Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Here we have one problem, that is 30 divided by square root of 8 plus square root of 5 plus square root of 3. So how do we solve this problem? Let's see. Solution. So the question is 30 divided by square root of 8 plus square root of 5 plus square root of 3. So first we have to do rationalize. So in the numerator and the denominator multiply by square root of 8 plus square root of 5 minus square root of 3 divided by square root of 8 plus square root of 5 minus square root of 3. So now it will be 30 times square root of 8 plus square root of 5 minus square root of 3. So divided by, so this is in a form of, so a plus b, a minus b. So we know this formula, a plus b times a minus b equaled a square minus b square. So use this formula. Here we can write a square minus b square. So a square square root of 8 plus square root of 5 whole square minus b square. So square root of 3 whole square. So now 30 times square root of 8 plus square root of 5 minus square root of 3 divided by, so here, see here, square root of 8 plus square root of 5 whole square. This is in the form of a plus b whole square. So we know this formula, a plus b whole square, which is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So use this formula. Here we can write, so here we can write square root of 8 square plus square root of 5 square plus 2ab. So minus, so here square root get cancelled, it will be minus 3. So now 30 times square root of 8 plus square root of 5 minus square root of 3 divided by, so here square root get cancelled, 8 plus square root get cancelled, 5. So plus, so here 8 times 5 which is equal 40. So now it will be 2 square root of 40 minus 3. So now, so 30 times square root of 8 plus square root of 5 minus square root of 3 divided by, so 8 plus 5, 13. So 13 minus 3 which is equal to 10. So 10 plus 2 square root of 40. So now again we have to do rationalize. So in the numerator and the denominator multiply by 10 minus 2 square root of 40 divided by 10 minus 2 square root of 40. So now multiply these two terms. So 30 times square root of 8 plus square root of 5 minus square root of 3 times 10 minus 2 square root of 40. So divided by, so again this is in a form of a plus b times a minus b. So we know this formula, a square minus b square. So again use this formula. Here we can write 10 square minus 2 square root of 40 whole square. So now it will be 30 times square root of 8 plus square root of 5 minus square root of 3 times 10 minus 2 square root of 40 divided by, so 10 square which is equal to 100 minus, so here 2 square 4 and square root get cancelled. So 440. So 30. So 30 square root of 8 plus square root of 5 minus square root of 3 times 10 minus 2 square root of 40. So divided by 100 minus, so 4 times 4, 16, so 160. So 4 times 40 which is equal to 160. So here 30 square root of 8 plus square root of 5 minus square root of 3 times 10 minus square root of 40. So divided by, so 100 minus 160 which is equal to minus 60. So here 30 times 2 is equal to 6. So now multiply these two terms, then we'll get a square root of 8 times 10 which is equal to 10 square root of 8 plus 10 times square root of 8 square root of 5 minus square root of 3 times 10 square root of 3 and square root of 8 times 2 square root of 40. We can write this, so 4 square root of 80. So square root of 5 times 2 square root of 40 minus 4 square root of 50. So square root of 3 times square root of 3 times 2 square root of 40 which is equal to, so here minus is there, minus minus it will become plus, so plus 4 square root of 30. So divided by minus 2. So now, so here 10 square root of 8 we can write this, so 4 times 2 square root of 4 which is equal to 2, so 2 times 10, 20 square root of 2 plus 10 square root of 5 minus 10 square root of 3, so minus, so here 1680 we can write this 16 times 5, so 5 square root of 16 which is equal to 4 times 4 16, so 16 square root of, it will be 16 square root of 5 minus, so here 25 times 2, so square root of 25 which is equal to 5, 4 times 5 which is equal to 20, so 20 square root of 2 plus 4 square root of 30. So now divided by minus 2. So now, so here, so 20 square root of 2 minus 20 square root of 2 get cancelled, and minus here 10 square root of 5 minus 16 square root of 5 which is equal to minus 6 square root of 5, so minus 10 square root of 3 plus 4 square root of 30 divided by minus 2. So now, so in the numerator we have common, that is 2, so here we are taking out minus 2 as a common, so minus 2. Now then here we will write leftover numbers, so 2 times 3 is equal to 6, 3 square root of 5 minus, so 2 times 5, so here plus square root of 3, so minus 2 times 2 4, so divided by minus 2, so here minus 2 get cancelled, so 3 square root of 5 plus 5 square root of 3 minus 2 square root of 30. So this is the final answer. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please do subscribe, like and share.